Good morning, today is January 19th, 2019, and today's refinishing project is located in Napa, California. Okay, so today we're going to be refinishing this clawfoot tub on the inside. The customer requested the inside only. They're going to go ahead and do the exterior in a black themselves. So we're going to prep and refinish the inside of this clawfoot tub. Let's have a look at it. Take about 4 hours to fully refinish the inside of this tub. So we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here's a finish-up video of the clawfoot bathtub here in Napa, California. Let's have a look. We do exterior as well as interior, but the customer decided she wanted to go ahead and do the outside herself. So we went ahead and just refinished the inside for her. It turned out nice. And there we go. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.